Alright guys, on my way to go look at another skid loader that's different from Bobcat. And as I'm growing this business, right, I want this business so bad. I'm all into this business and I love it. I'm obsessed about it so much that I just want to take this thing to the... I just want to keep moving forward with this business, the landscaping and lawn care. And I'm taking you guys into this real world and real life of what it takes to run a business, okay? And I'm showing all you guys this stuff that I do, right? I've got, not to brag or anything, I've got the landscaping business, I got the laundromat business, I've got the photography business, and I got the phone repair business. And all those generate me income, revenue, generate revenue for me every month and yearly. And without the landscaping and the lawn care, none of those other businesses would not have evolved, would have never came into, there wouldn't be any of those other businesses. So that's why I'm so into this lawn care, landscaping, and snow removal, because it's my baby. It's the foundation of everything that I've ever built, or that has ever came out of it, anything that's come out of it. And so today, I mean, I've been, for the last month, we lost our snow account, one of our snow accounts, or two of our snow accounts, that the townhomes, right? And I was down, I was out for a little bit, but I knew that it wouldn't get me anywhere, being down and out. So I kept pushing, and I just kept pushing my way, just, you know, not to get frustrated or upset about losing those accounts that I had. So there were bids coming in, so I put in bids here and there, you know, for the snow removal, to replace the other townhomes that we've lost. And so, you know, picking up a few more big accounts, then we picked up a few more big accounts, replacing the townhomes. And so now I'm at a stage again to grow the business, right? And some would do what I do. Some would grow it slow. And I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But we've got the opportunity. We got the opportunity to take on more work, more job. So that means we need more people, more equipment. And so I've been debating back and forth. Our accounts, our snow accounts mostly consist of parking lot plowing, and you know, a lot of Bobcat work actually too, on the entrances and stuff. We need to pull snow away from the building and stuff, the entrances, just, you know, back dragging, which a truck, you know, sometimes it's hard for a truck to get in and do that on some entrances. So we have all of our equipment being used, right, on these other our old accounts, the accounts that we normally have. And so I'm running into a situation where I need another Bobcat or a tractor, right? Or a skid loader or a tractor to help out the accounts that we picked up. And so I've been thinking back and forth, just replaying what I all have, what kind of plowing do we do, all these scenarios I run through my head. And I've made my decision that a skid would be the best equipment for what we do. We're gonna be doing. All of our other equipment is being used on those other parking lots. They all those equipments have to be used at our old accounts, right? So this new account, or a few new accounts, we're gonna have to add another Bobcat in order to get them done. So, and I've been debating back and forth. I've been looking at Bobcats, Kubotas. Now, you know, a friend of mine, Zach from Zach Sales and Services in Sherburne, Minnesota, posted something on Facebook on one of my posts when I posted my, you know, what I was trying to do or what I'm looking for on, you know, my next piece of equipment. And so he said he had this machine called a skid steer called JCB, and it's one arm only. It's weird. It uses one arm, articulating one arm, and you go in the side door of the skid instead of the front. So I'm going out there right now to his shop. It's Sunday, and he's got stuff he's got to do at his store. So I'm gonna go out there, and he said I could go there and check it out, try it out. He said it's a great machine to get in, get out, and it does perfectly fine with, you know, moving snow. So it's gonna be my first time seeing it and actually being in it. It looked like I YouTubed it. It looked like a great machine. You know, it just looked comfortable. So I'm gonna go look at that, and it's gonna determine what piece of equipment I really want to go with. Either a Bobcat. I know I've got all Bobcats right now, but if this is more comfortable and it's for the winter, like us for a winter, we're in there 14 hours a day, you know, if not longer, in those machines. And my guys got to be comfortable. I got to be comfortable. So I'm gonna go take a look at this and see how this unit operates. So I'm excited. So stay tuned, guys. Go follow this journey, or take a ride with me on this journey. And it's crazy. It's crazy, guys. This business is crazy. It's got to be obsessed. If you're not obsessed, you're not all in. So
right where you're going to push with it all day.
okay.
You know, this is where your arm's going to be when you're running a push, your bucket. You can see straight through the cab. You can see all around you, so that guy that comes up next to you, because whatever, you know, you never know who's coming to talk to you when you're trying to plow or what you're trying to do. So the safety of the JCB is what sold me on it.
And what's the lifting capacity? I mean, what's
this is a 2,005 pound lift. Okay. So it's as close to your 185 Bobcat, your 570 Bobcat, and the 773. They all fall into that that 18 to 2,000 pounds. It's that small wheelbase like those, and that's what I needed getting in and out, moving trailers all day. It's a small wheelbase. The size bigger is even better. The bigger the machine, the better balanced they are, so they handle better. But I can start here and push all the way to the concrete plant and have no problems with this 10-foot push on this machine.
Okay. You can see everything.
Everything. And then if you flip that arm down, button right there, now you can raise your arm to where you think you're going to be when you're dumping a bucket and see how much you see there.
So where is it all?
This is the steer.
Okay, that's the steer.
And this is up.
Okay. Nice. So there's no feet handle anymore.
So you're going to dump a bucket there and you can still see how much you can see. Right. You're still knowing what's going on and what's there.
thought, an initial review. I really like how the door and how you can see out all of them windows as you're operating this equipment. Look at this. When you lift that arm up, you can still, when you lift the arm up to dump, you can still see through that window. And it's just got so much visibility, space on there. And that door. The one thing I'm not used to is the joystick control on this thing. I'm used to the Bobcat feet, so it's a little touchy at first. So yeah, it uses joysticks on there. So, but I'm impressed with this machine. If you're ever around Sherburne area or the region, Zach's Sales and Services here in Sherburne, Minnesota, carries a bunch of plows, you guys, and trailers that you might need. So stop by and come say hi to Zach and pick up a plow. Look at that. Great guy to deal with.